fun and sound it ever heard. Little trucks that come down the road, big circles and big toad. Toad say cool and we high, a little truck rolling by. Suits are there, clouds you move, open the piggy, beats are blue. Cooking the chicken, chicks a peep, mice a ghost, who's a peep, neighs a horse, quack to the duck, beat for the rubber truck. Hold the joke truck, come through. I've been wanting to do. I tell the past today, wherever that run away. Room it up around the curve, and start punch on the shore. In the back, big my truck, and the big push rolls the stack. And heavy that, jump, touch the big, and walk in birds. Hook and jump, and come scared, no killed, no more killed. Then in the bump, 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 came Rubber Truck and helped the dump. Rubber Truck is also sway in the boot and the dump and boot got tight. Hop, the Rubber Truck beep, 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 and step. And I heard the beep, beep, beep. The cows are running the big and the sheep. Up in the gallery, my horse got a jump on the prince's horse. The hen did first in the chip and the duck.
And everybody pushed.
Rubber truck.
Mm-hmm.
Hat, and the rock. Was it all super pushed up? Got her, he below, and the horse did the big toad. On together, 1, 2, G. One truck shot free. Get the body up the blue. He's not these, he's at you. Now the signal what the bounce happened in the future. Friends.
If you're good friends, yep.
Beep, beep, beep. Who's alive? Had to jump inside. Clap back. Clap quick. Nay, cool. No. Beep, beep, beep. The end.
Good job.